Danny.
Hi, I'm Phil, and we are the Ring Family Farm.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ring Family Farm. And for those of you who are tuning in for the very first time, welcome. We are so excited that you are here. This week, the episode's going to be a little bit shorter than the episodes that we had from last year. We are going to show you the new additions that we added to the farm, which means we added 2 donkeys and 2 goats, and all the animals should be available to pet during the Christmas tree season. So come along, we'll show you what we added.
This is Norm, the best donkey ever.
This your buddy Norman? Yep.
The best donkey.
This is a new addition to Ring Family Farm, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
They'll be able to come out and see him, won't they?
Uh-huh.
Yep. Izzy, who do you have over there? Vera. Can you introduce her?
Hey guys, this is Vera, my donkey, and you can see them at Ring Family Farm.
Who do we have here, Izzy? Is this Avis?
Yeah.
This is Avis, and you'll be able to meet her at Ring Family Farm this year. This is one of our new additions, our animals, just like the donkeys, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's cute, she's fun, and she faints.
And who do we have here, buddy?
Alice.
This is Alice. This is our other goat. She doesn't faint though.
No, it's the coolest goat ever.
It's the coolest goat ever. She's super sweet.
It's soft.
Phil and I just wanted to take a minute and thank you guys for coming out and supporting our dreams with the Ring Family Farm.
It was bigger and better than we had ever anticipated it was going to be, and that's thanks to you guys for coming out. We look forward to next year. It's going to be big. We got new additions. You got to meet some of them this week. If you guys did come out last year, thank you very much. If you didn't, we look forward to seeing you this year as a bigger and better year, Ring Family Farm. So stay tuned.
Yes.
It's a great ride. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in this week to Ring Family Farm. We are glad we got to introduce you to the new additions, the lovely new animals to our farm. Tune in next week where we will be building a lodge this year. No more tent. We're going to have a real fixed building for you to come and visit us with. What else we got going on?
We are building a new table for our Christmas tree baler.
Yes, if you weren't here last year, we had a table that broke down quite a few times. They had to repair it a lot. So we're going to build a good Christmas tree baler for you so your trees get baled very good. Izzy, what are you thinking?
Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell. Don't forget to like us.
Don't forget to share us with your friends.
And tune in next week. We're excited for season 2. Come along. It's going to be a great season.
Hi, I'm Jenny.
See? We have to throw this into the